Dead phone at the airport, lost luggage, no adapter in a foreign country. Travel problems all have one solution, the right gadget. I've tested 5 travel essentials for 2026. Pack these before your next trip. The Anker 737 power bank is an absolute beast. At 24,000 milliamp hours, it can charge an iPhone 17 Pro over 4 times, a MacBook Air once completely, or an iPad twice. That's enough for a 3-day trip without ever finding a wall outlet. The power output is 140 watts. That's enough to fast charge a MacBook Pro at full speed. It has 2 USB-C ports and 1 USB-A port, so you can charge your phone, tablet, and earbuds simultaneously. The smart digital display shows exactly how much battery is left, how much power is going in or out, and even the temperature of the device. The build quality is premium, a textured finish that resists shine scratches, and a compact size that fits in a small bag. One honest piece of feedback, it's heavy, nearly 2 pounds. You're not throwing this in a pocket. Also, it's over the 27,000 million per hour limit for some airlines, so check before flying. But for road trips, long flights, or any situation where outlets are scarce, this is the best power bank you can buy. Full specs and the link are in the description below. The Tile Pro is the gadget you hope you never need, but will thank yourself for when you do. It's a Bluetooth tracker that attaches to your luggage, backpack, wallet, or keys. If you lose something, you open the Tile app and hit Find. The Tile Pro rings loudly enough to hear from across a room or inside a suitcase. If you're out of Bluetooth range, the Tile network kicks in. It ran millions of other Tile users' phones anonymously help locate your lost item. I tested this by leaving my luggage at a friend's house on purpose, and the app showed me the exact address within minutes. The range is about 400 feet, double the standard Tile. The battery lasts 1 year and is replaceable. One honest piece of feedback, it's not GPS. If someone steals your bag and drives away, Tile won't track it live like an AirTag. Also, the speaker's loud but a bit tinny. For under $30, this is peace of mind for every trip. Never stand at a baggage carousel wondering where your bag is. Link is waiting for you in the description below. The JOTO Universal Waterproof Phone Pouch is for anyone whose travels include water. Beach, pool, kayaking, even just a rainy city tour. This pouch is IPX8 rated. Submerge it up to 100 feet for an hour, and your phone stays completely dry. I tested it by putting a napkin inside and leaving it in a sink full of water for an hour. The napkin came out bone dry. The clear plastic is touchscreen friendly, so you can still take photos, answer texts, or check maps without removing your phone. It comes with a detachable lanyard to wear around your neck or strap to your bag. The size fits even the largest phones with a case on. One genuine piece of feedback, the plastic has a slight haze that affects photo quality, especially in low light. Also, the seal requires careful closing. Any sand or hair in the zipper closure will cause a leak. For under $15, it's cheap insurance. Whether you're at a tropical beach or just crossing a rainy street, this pouch saves you from a very expensive accident. Full link is in the description below. The Bose QuietComfort. Ultra earbuds are the best noise-canceling earbuds for travel. Period. Planes, trains, buses, coffee shops. These things disappear the world around you. The noise cancellation is so good that I missed my flight announcement because I couldn't hear anything. The immersive audio mode uses Bose's custom technology to make music feel like it's coming from around you, not inside your head. Battery life is solid at 6 hours with noise cancellation on, and the case holds 3 additional charges. The fit is secure and comfortable even for hours of continuous wear. I wore them on a 6-hour flight without any ear fatigue. The microphones handle calls well, even in windy conditions. One honest piece of feedback. The case is bulky, about the size of a small egg. Not ideal for tight pockets. Also, the price is high, but you're paying for best-in-class noise cancellation. For frequent flyers, these are worth every penny. Your flight will be quieter, your music will sound better, and you'll arrive less exhausted. Check the description for the link and current pricing. The BESTEK Universal Travel Adapter is the only adapter you'll ever need. It works in over 150 countries, including the US, UK, Europe, Australia, and Asia. The plugs slide out from the unit so you don't lose tiny adapters. It also has 4 USB-A ports and 1 USB-C port, so you can charge 5 devices at once without bringing a separate power strip. The built-in surge protection keeps your expensive electronics safe from unstable voltage. The input accepts voltages from 100 to 240 volts, so it works everywhere. It's compact, about the size of a deck of cards, and comes with a travel pouch. One honest piece of feedback, it does not convert voltage. If you're bringing a hairdryer or straightener, check if it's dual voltage. Most modern device chargers are. Also, the UK plug is large and can block adjacent outlets on some power strips. But for the vast majority of travelers charging phones, laptops, cameras, and earbuds, this is the perfect solution. No more hunting for adapters at midnight in a foreign hotel room. Link is waiting for you in the description. That's 5 travel gadgets for 2026. From power beasts to pocket-sized adapters. Which one are you packing first? comment below, and don't forget to check the description for all the links. Subscribe for more honest reviews. Now go travel smarter.